Welcome to episode 2. My name is Indrayani. Today we are going to make a cake. We need only 4 to 5 ingredients for this. We need 2 packets of Oreo. We need 2 packets of bourbon. We need 1 spoon of baking soda. And we need 1 cup of milk. And don't forget to put sanitizer. Now we'll crush all the biscuits. Now the crushing is done. We'll put it in the mixer to make powder of it. Wow! Now we'll put the cap. Where is the cap? Now let's see how the powder is. Wow! It's so cool. Now let's put 1 cup of milk. It's done. Now we'll put it in the mixer for 1 more minute. Wow, look at this. Now we'll put 1 spoon of baking soda and 1 spoon of milk. Now let's grease the pot. Now let's put some butter in it. Now let's grease it. Now let's pour it in the pot. आता हे टाकूया परत एकदा. हे चाटून खाऊया. Whoa, look at this cake. Now let's cut it out and put it in the plate. Now let's decorate it. Whoa, look at this. It's yummy. Now let's spread the cream. so yummy. more videos, just like, share and subscribe. Bye.